The Wilson boat launch on Pymatuning Lake can be found off Route 6, approximately 2.5 miles east of the Ohio border in Pennsylvania. This launch is at the north end of the lake and is part of the Pymatuning State Park. Why does the boat launch merit a video on YouTube? Because it's a very special place. I've been all over the United States and Canada, and this is my favorite place. While I've seen more beautiful places, this is the most well-rounded, peaceful place. This is an excellent spot to launch your fishing boat or kayak. It's also a great place for bird watching, ice fishing in the winter, viewing peaceful sunsets, photography, and also hunting. I should mention there may or may not be a bald eagle nest within sight of the launch. If you're into relaxing and a nice quiet place, perhaps for reading a book, this is the place for that most of the time. There's a restroom on site. Just be aware they are pit toilets and they are closed in the winter. So if you're ever in the area, don't forget to stop by Wilson Boat Launch. Turn off your car, walk to the lake, and enjoy the sights and sounds. Also, I forgot to mention that it's a wonderful place to view sunsets. If you enjoyed my video, please like and subscribe. And I thank you for watching.